Amphora, AI in Archaeology, New Methods for Exploring the Past, Left Magnifying Glass. Introduction. Archaeology has traditionally relied on meticulous excavation, detailed analysis, and historical interpretation to uncover humanity's past. However, with the emergence of artificial intelligence, AI, archaeologists now have access to cutting-edge tools that enhance their ability to analyze sites, artifacts, and ancient texts with unprecedented speed and precision. AI-powered technologies are revolutionizing the field, leading to groundbreaking discoveries and more efficient research methodologies. From satellite imaging and machine learning to automated artifact classification and linguistic analysis, AI is transforming how we explore, interpret, and preserve historical findings. This article delves into the latest AI-driven innovations that are reshaping the study of ancient civilizations. Satellite 1. AI-powered remote sensing and site discovery, small blue diamond, A, satellite and aerial imaging. 1. AI-driven analysis of satellite and drone imagery can detect hidden archaeological sites that might be invisible to the human eye. 2. Infrared and LIDAR, light detection and ranging, technology helps reveal buried structures beneath dense vegetation, deserts, and urban landscapes. 3. Machine learning models distinguish between natural formations and human-made structures, aiding in the identification of potential excavation sites. Small blue diamond, B, predictive modeling. 1. AI uses geospatial analysis and historical datasets to predict where undiscovered settlements may be located. 2. Deep learning algorithms process environmental and climate data to determine how past civilizations adapted to their surroundings. 3. Predictive modeling helps archaeologists prioritize excavation sites, reducing unnecessary digging and preserving fragile remains. Bone 2. AI in artifact analysis and identification, small blue diamond, A, automated classification of artifacts. 1. AI can rapidly categorize pottery, tools, and inscriptions based on material, design, and time period. 2. Computer vision models compare newly unearthed artifacts with museum collections and academic databases to assess authenticity. 3. AI-driven analysis assists in identifying forgeries and verifying the origins of cultural artifacts. Small blue diamond, B, 3D reconstruction of ancient objects. 1. AI-powered 3D modeling software reconstructs fragmented artifacts, statues, and ruined structures. 2. Neural networks predict missing sections of artifacts, digitally restoring them before physical reconstruction. 3. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, enable scholars and the public to experience ancient objects in their original form. Scroll 3. AI in deciphering ancient text and languages, small blue diamond, A, optical character recognition, OCR, for ancient scripts. 1. AI can decipher hieroglyphs, cuneiform, and other ancient writing systems faster than traditional methods. 2. Machine learning models analyze incomplete inscriptions, filling in missing words based on linguistic patterns. 3. AI accelerates the translation of ancient texts, making them accessible to scholars worldwide. Small blue diamond, B, text reconstruction and language decipherment. 1. Deep learning algorithms reconstruct damaged texts, predicting missing passages based on historical linguistics. 2. AI helps in identifying connections between ancient languages, providing insights into trade networks and cultural exchanges. 3. AI-assisted translation tools improve our understanding of long-lost civilizations and their written records. Landmark 4. AI in cultural heritage preservation, small blue diamond, A, digital archiving and virtual museums. 1. AI enables high-resolution scanning and digital preservation of artifacts, ensuring they remain accessible even if their physical form deteriorates. 2. Virtual museums and AI-powered reconstructions allow the public to explore archaeological wonders from anywhere in the world. 3. AI assists in preserving ancient manuscripts, paintings, and monuments by identifying and mitigating signs of wear and decay. Small Blue Diamond, B. Combating looting and illegal artifact trade. 1. AI-powered security surveillance systems monitor archaeological sites to detect and prevent unauthorized excavations. 2. AI algorithms analyze online marketplaces and black market activity to track and recover stolen artifacts. 3. Blockchain technology combined with AI ensures provenance tracking and legal documentation of cultural heritage items. Crystal Ball, 5. The future of AI in archaeology, Small Blue Diamond, A. AI-assisted autonomous excavations. 1. Future excavation projects may employ robotic systems guided by AI to explore delicate sites with minimal human interference. 2. AI-driven sensors could detect subsurface artifacts and structures without disturbing them. Small Blue Diamond, B. AI and Big Data in Archaeology. 1. AI integrates historical, environmental, and genetic data to offer deeper insights into ancient civilizations. 2. AI-enhanced research allows archaeologists to connect discoveries across different regions, creating a more holistic picture of human history. Small Blue Diamond, C. Ethical and Responsible AI in Archaeology. 1. As AI plays a greater role in archaeology, ethical considerations must be addressed regarding data privacy, cultural ownership, and digital repatriation. 2. Collaboration between archaeologists, AI researchers, and cultural institutions is essential to ensure ethical AI applications that respect indigenous and cultural heritage. Amphora, Conclusion: Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing archaeology, enabling faster discoveries and preserving cultural heritage like never before. From analyzing ancient texts to mapping lost civilizations, AI is reshaping our understanding of human history. As AI continues to evolve, the field of archaeology will become increasingly efficient, precise, and globally interconnected. The intersection of AI and archaeology holds immense potential for uncovering new stories of our shared past, ensuring they are preserved for generations to come.